Why don't senior citizens ever get lost in an Apple store? Because they're always in the iPad class, they never make it to the iCloud. And now let us explore 11 practical tips on Apple classes for seniors. 1. Tip 1. Select the suitable class. Different Apple workshops are offered based on devices and their software. For seniors who are new to Apple products, it's best to start with the Basics class, which teaches the fundamentals of Apple devices. It's important to first understand the nature of a class before enrolling, and always check if it matches your precise needs or not. 2. Tip 2. Never feel hesitant to ask questions. The learning environment in an Apple class is very supportive and welcoming. If at any time you do not understand something or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. The best way to learn is by clarifying doubts as you progress, so you can apply that knowledge later on. 3. Tip 3. Use hands-on learning. One of the best parts about Apple classes is the hands-on training they provide. Don't shy away from experimenting and trying things on the actual device, as it significantly helps in learning and allows you to feel more comfortable with the technology. 4. Tip 4. Take notes. Regardless of the nature of the course or level of understanding, it's always beneficial for seniors to take valuable notes. Remembering all the information provided in a course can be difficult, and notes can always serve as a helpful reminder when applying the knowledge later. 5. Tip 5. Practice at home. Simply attending the class may not be enough to grasp all the intended knowledge. It can be beneficial to practice with the device at home to get a better understanding and feel for it. This will also help you identify any areas you're having trouble with and need further assistance. 6. Tip 6. Bring your own device. In Apple classes, seniors are advised to bring their own devices. This way, they can learn on the device they will actually be using, making it more practical and applicable. 7. Tip 7. Be patient with yourself. Rome wasn't built in a day. Likewise, learning a new skill, especially technology, may need some time. Give yourself the space to learn at your own pace and remember that it's okay to make mistakes. 8. Tip 8. Connect with other learners. Interacting with others in the class will promote a better learning environment. It's always helpful to hear the questions and feedback from other learners, as they may solve the problems you're encountering or inspire new ways for you to understand the materials. 9. Tip 9. Keep up with updates. Whenever a new update for your device is available, make sure to install it, as it often includes beneficial features and performance improvements. Remember to ask for help in the Apple Store or in your classes if you're not sure about the process. 10. Tip 10. Register for advanced classes. After learning the basics, you can explore more advanced features and tools by registering for advanced Apple classes. These can help you become more comfortable with using Apple devices and get more utility out of them. 11. Tip 11. Apply the knowledge daily. Practice makes perfect. Try to incorporate the use of your device in your routine to make the most out of your learning. It could be for anything from reading news, shopping online, connecting with family, taking pictures, and much more. The more you use the device, the more familiar it will become.